When you hear a sudden loud noise, your ear does something automatic to protect itself. Sound waves enter your ear canal and vibrate your eardrum. This mechanical vibration travels to the middle ear, where three tiny bones transmit the sound further inside. In your middle ear, there is a small muscle called the stapedius. As soon as loud sound is detected, nerves send a rapid signal to the stapedius muscle. The muscle contracts instantly, pulling on the small bone called the stapes. By contracting, the stapedius muscle reduces how much the stapes bone moves. This limits the amount of vibration passed to your inner ear, helping to protect delicate hearing cells from damage. This reflex is called the acoustic reflex. It happens in less than a second, every time your ears sense a sudden loud noise. That's happening inside you right now. VitalEdge.health